Now, S block element, in the previous class I have discussed about the group 1 element. You have already informed that there are mainly two S block elements, group 1 and group 2. Group 1, the general electronic configuration is NS1, and group 2 general electronic configuration is NS2. Group 1 element are called alkali metal and group 2 element are called alkaline earth metal. Now, in the previous class I have discussed about the alkaline alkali metal. Today the main topic is alkaline earth metal, that is group 2 element. What are the alkaline earth metal? The alkaline earth metal are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, barium, strontium, barium and radium. And their electronic configuration is NS2, beryllium is 2s2, magnesium 3s2, calcium 4s2, strontium 5s2, barium 6s2, radium 7s2. Atomic number 4, 12, 20, 38, 56, 88. Now, so general electronic configuration of alkaline earth metal is NS2. Now, what will be the general physical properties? First you write the atomic size. Atomic size. The atomic size of the alkaline earth metal is fairly large as in with respect to the other element, other group of the same period, and the atomic size increase down the group, but the atomic size of alkaline earth metal is less than alkali metal, because as compared to alkali metal, alkaline earth metal have greater nuclear charge. Due to greater nuclear charge, the outermost electron cloud come closer to the nucleus, so atomic size will be less as compared to alkali metal. And down the group, number of cell increase 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, nuclear charge also increase, but the effect of nuclear charge will be less. This is due to greater skinning effect or greater shielding effect. The different subcell that is present between the nucleus and the outermost cell, the H, P, D subcell, they screen or guard the outermost electron from the nucleus. This is known as skinning effect or shielding effect. Due to skinning or shielding effect, effective nuclear charge will be less, but number of cell increase, so atomic size increase down the group. Next IP value, ionization potential value. Alkaline earth metal have also fairly low IP value. This in a respective period, the lowest IP value is a group 1, that is alkali metal, and then alkaline earth metal. Now, IP value of alkaline earth metal is more than that of alkali metal. For example, first IP of magnesium is greater than sodium. Why? This is because when we move from alkali to alkaline earth element, the nuclear charge increase. Sodium have atomic number 11, magnesium have atomic number 12. So, due to increase in nuclear charge, the electron cloud will be pulled towards the nucleus. So, it is very difficult to remove the electron. Beside it is the NS2 electronic configuration, that is full-filled subcell. So, due to full-filled subcell and greater nuclear charge, IP value of alkaline earth metal will be more than alkali metal. IP value also decrease down the group. Down the group atomic radius increase, and due to greater shielding or skinning effect, nuclear charge does not increase so much, so IP value decrease down the group. So, beryllium have maximum IP value and radium have minimum IP value. The next, electronegativity. Electronegativity. All alkaline earth metal have 0 or positive electron gain enthalpy value, and they are very less electronegative element, because they have only 2 electron in the outermost shell. So, they have greater tendency to lose electron to form cation and to attain noble gas configuration. So, they are rather electropositive. metal, so they are electropositive. Their electronegativity and electron gain enthalpy value is very low. Next, metallic character. Metallic character. All alkaline earth metal are good metal, but the strength of metallic bond will be more as compared to alkali metal. So, alkaline earth metal are harder metal as compared to alkali metal. Say sodium or potassium, very soft metal, they can be cut with knife, but magnesium or calcium is not so much soft metal. They cannot be cut with knife because they have two valence electron. So, due to increase in number of valence electron, the strength of metallic bond increase. The strength of metallic bond depends upon number of valence electron. Greater the number of valence electron, stronger will be the metallic bond strength, and due to greater metallic bond strength, they are harder metal with high melting point as compared to the melting point of alkali metal. And metallic character increase down the group, because down the group IP value decrease. If IP value decrease, they are greater tendency to lose electron to form cation. So, metallic character increase down the group. Next, density. Alkaline earth metal like alkali metal is also lighter metal, but slightly heavier than alkali metal. So, their density is generally low, but there is no regular trend of change in density of the alkaline earth metal. It has been found that density first decrease from beryllium to calcium and then increase from strontium to radium. So, density first decrease from beryllium to calcium and then increase from strontium to radium. Next point, flame test. Flame test. All alkaline earth metal except beryllium and magnesium give characteristic color to the flame. Beryllium and magnesium does not respond to the flame test. This is because they, due to the smaller size, they have very high IP value. Due to greater IP value, the ordinary heat energy of flame cannot excite their electron from lower level to higher level. So, they do not give any flame test, but calcium, barium, strontium have low IP value. So, ordinary heat energy of flame is sufficient to excite their electron from lower cell to a higher cell, and this when higher excited electron come back to the ground state, they release some energy in the form of radiation. So, color is obtained. Beryllium and magnesium no flame color, calcium give the red color, brick red color flame, barium give the apple green color flame, and strontium give the crimson red color or pale violet color flame. So, flame test due to their low IP value of the alkaline earth metal. Due to lower IP value, the electron can be excited from lower level to higher level by absorbing heat energy from the Bunsen burner, and this excited electron when come back to the ground state, they emit radiation which correspond a color of the flame. The next point, electronegative metallic character, oxidation state. Oxidation state. Normally alkaline earth metal normally always give +2 oxidation state, that is they form divalent cation. Now, you know that first IP of alkali earth metal is less than second IP. This because after the loss of one electron, the cation have smaller size and effective nuclear charge increase. So, to remove the second electron is very difficult. So, second IP of magnesium is always greater than first IP of magnesium. Now, alkaline earth metal should form +1 oxidation state as well as +2 oxidation state, but it can never form +1 oxidation state. In most of the compound, but in all compound, it exhibits the +2 oxidation state. Why? The large second IP value of alkaline earth metal is compensated by higher lattice energy and higher hydration energy. How? Say Mg plus and Mg2 plus. Mg2 plus have greater charge and Mg2 plus have smaller size. So, due to greater charge and smaller size of Mg2 plus as compared to Mg plus, in lattice energy will be high. this high lattice energy in solid state compensate the higher second IP value. Similarly, in aqueous solution, Mg plus ion and Mg2 plus ion, which ion will be extensively hydrated? Mg2 plus ion, because Mg2 plus ion have greater charge and smaller size, so degree of hydration will be more. So, due to extensively hydrated of Mg2 plus ion, it release greater energy. This hydration energy can compensate the higher second IP value. So, due to higher hydration energy in the aqueous solution and higher lattice energy in the solid state, the alkaline earth metal always show +2 oxidation state. Now, here one point you remember, I have already discussed that first IP of magnesium is greater than sodium. This is because greater nuclear charge of magnesium as compared to sodium and smaller size of magnesium. But second IP of magnesium is less than sodium. Why? Because sodium have only one electron in the outermost shell. After the loss of one electron, it form Na plus ion which have neon gas configuration. It is noble gas configuration, very stable electronic configuration. So, it is very difficult to remove the second electron from noble gas core. So, second IP of sodium is very high. But in case of magnesium, they have two valence electron. So, after the loss of one electron, the Mg plus also have one electron in the outermost shell. So, it has greater tendency to lose the second electron to achieve noble gas configuration. So, second IP of magnesium is not so much large as compared to the second IP of sodium. So, first IP of sodium is less than magnesium, but second IP of sodium is greater than magnesium. The next reaction with ammonia, reaction with ammonia. All alkaline earth metal like alkali metal dissolve in liquid ammonia to form a blue color solution. Say beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, they dissolve in liquid ammonia to give a blue color solution. The blue color solution is due to formation of ammoniated electron. Alkali metal when dissolve in ammonia, the following reaction take place. Say M plus X plus 2Y ammonia gives M2 plus X NH3 whole X plus 2E NH3 whole 2Y NH3. Due to this ammoniated electron, the alkali metal give blue color solution, and due to the formation of ammoniated cation and ammoniated electron, the solution of alkaline earth metal with ammonia also conduct electricity. If the concentration of metal ion is increased in liquid ammonia, then the cluster of metal ion take place and the color changes from blue to bronze. So, like alkali metal, alkaline earth metal also gives a blue color solution with liquid ammonia. Now, next point, reaction with water. Reaction with water. All the alkaline earth metal reacts with water. Beryllium reacts with steam. If beryllium reacts with steam, beryllium reacts with steam to form beryllium oxide and hydrogen, the steam. Magnesium reacts with boil water to form magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. But calcium reacts with cool water to form calcium hydroxide and hydrogen. Barium reacts with cold water to form barium hydroxide and hydrogen. So, reaction with water, alkaline earth metal reacts with water under different condition. Beryllium due to least reactivity. Why it is least reactive? Because it has very high IP value. So, due to least reactivity, it reacts with steam to form oxide and hydrogen. Magnesium reacts with steam, but it also reacts with boil water to form magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen. Calcium, strontium, barium, their reactivity increase. This is due to decrease in IP value. So, they react with cold water to give corresponding hydroxide and hydrogen gas. All these hydroxide are basic in nature, and basic character of hydroxide increase down the group. So, all alkaline earth metal reacts with water to evolve hydrogen gas. Number 2, reaction with air. Reaction with air. When alkaline earth metal are heated in air, and hot alkaline earth metal reacts with air under hot condition to form oxide and nitride. Beryllium form oxide at very high temperature. Say beryllium reacts with oxygen at very high temperature above 8 centigrade to form beryllium oxide. Calcium when heated with oxygen it form calcium oxide. Magnesium when heated with oxygen it form magnesium oxide. These divalent oxide are basic oxide, but beryllium oxide is to some extent amphoteric in nature. Beryllium hydroxide due to greater ionic polarizing power, it is some extent ionic character, acidic character. So, beryllium oxide is amphoteric in nature, but other oxide are basic. Now, basic character increase down the group. For example, magnesium oxide is a weak base, calcium oxide also weak base, but barium oxide, strontium oxide are a strong base. So, basic character of oxide increase down the group. When heated in air, this metal also reacts with nitrogen present in air to form nitride. That is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, they when heated in air, then the nitrogen gas present in air combine with the metal to form metal nitride. For example, magnesium reacts with nitrogen when heated, it form magnesium nitride Mg3N2. Calcium reacts with nitrogen when heated, it form calcium nitride. This nitride, say Ca3N2, when reacts with water, boiled water, it form calcium hydroxide and ammonia gas. This nitride when boiled with water, it form corresponding hydroxide and ammonia gas. So, these are the reaction with air. Air, when the alkaline earth metal are heated in air, then the oxygen and nitrogen present in air combine with alkaline earth metal to form oxide and nitride. The oxide are basic in nature, and nitride Mg3N2 or Ca3N2 or Ba3N2, this nitride when boiled with water, they evolve ammonia gas. Now, next number 3, reaction with halogen. All alkaline earth metal except beryllium directly combine with halogen when heated with halogen to form halide. Say magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, calcium fluoride, barium chloride, barium bromide, all halides are ionic in nature. So, alkaline earth metal, say calcium, when heated with Cl2, when heated it form calcium chloride. Similarly, magnesium, when heated with fluorine, it form magnesium fluoride. Barium, when heated with chlorine, it form beryllium chloride. All these halides are ionic in nature, and ionic character of halide increase down the group. Say, but beryllium halide cannot be prepared directly by heating beryllium with halogen. It can be prepared indirectly by heating beryllium oxide with halogen. Say beryllium oxide plus chlorine plus carbon, it form beryllium chloride and carbon monoxide. So, indirectly beryllium chloride can be formed by heating beryllium oxide with chlorine in presence of charcoal. Now, this beryllium chloride is not a ionic compound, it is a covalent compound, because Be plus 2 ion has very small size and greater charge. You know, the smaller the size of cation and greater the charge of cation, greater will be polarizing power. So, due to greater polarizing power, the compound will be predominantly covalent in nature. So, beryllium chloride is a compound with covalent character with 4 electron in the outermost shell. Beryllium have 2 valence electron. These 2 valence electron form 2 covalent bond with 2 chlorine atom. So, it has 4 electron in the outermost shell, that is less than octet. Due to less than octet, beryllium chloride have Lewis acid character, because it is less than octet. So, it has tendency to accept electron pair. So, it behave as a Lewis acid. Next, reaction with hydrogen. Reaction with hydrogen. All the alkaline earth metal except beryllium directly combine with hydrogen to form hydride. Say magnesium hydride, calcium hydride, barium hydride, and all these hydride reacts with cold water to evolve hydrogen gas again. Say calcium, when heated with hydrogen, it forms calcium hydride. Magnesium, when heated with hydrogen, it forms magnesium hydride. Barium, when heated with hydrogen, it forms barium hydride. And this hydride reacts with cold water. Calcium hydride is known as hydrolyte. Hydrolyte. It reacts with cold water to form calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. So, this hydride when dissolved in cold water, it again evolves the hydrogen gas. So, this principle can be used for the storage and transportation of hydrogen gas. You know hydrogen gas storage and transportation very difficult. Now, if in a place you heat the hydrogen gas in calcium metal, then calcium hydride is formed in the solid state. This solid calcium hydride can be transported from one place to another, and where if you add water, again the hydrogen gas is evolved. Beryllium hydride cannot be prepared directly. It can be prepared indirectly by the reduction of beryllium chloride. Beryllium chloride, when reduced by lithium aluminum hydride, it forms beryllium hydride plus lithium chloride plus aluminum chloride. So, beryllium hydride cannot be prepared directly by heating beryllium with hydrogen. It can be prepared indirectly by the reduction of beryllium chloride with lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride is a strong reducing agent, and it reduces beryllium chloride to beryllium hydride. Now, next reaction, reducing character. Reducing character. All the alkaline earth metal are good reducing agent except beryllium. Like alkali metal, alkaline earth metal also good reducing agent. Why they act as a good reducing agent? Because alkaline earth metal have larger atomic size and low IP value. So, they can easily lose electron to form cation, that is they are oxidized. So, they act as a good reducing agent, but they are less reducing than alkali metal, because alkali metal even larger atomic size and less IP than alkaline earth metal. So, they can easily oxidize by forming cation. So, alkali metal is stronger reducing agent than alkaline earth metal, and a reducing character of alkaline earth metal increase down the group, because when you move from beryllium to barium or strontium or radium, the IP value gradually decrease. Due to decrease in IP value, the tendency of the element to form cation also increase, that is they can be easily oxidized. So, they are acts as a good reducing agent. So, reducing character is minimum for beryllium and maximum for radium. Next হচ্ছে hydration enthalpy. Hydration enthalpy. What is hydration enthalpy? All alkaline earth metal are hydrated in aqueous solution, and hydration enthalpy of alkaline earth metal is greater than alkali metal, because alkali metal have only unipositive cation and they have larger size, but alkaline earth metal have +2 cation and they have smaller size. They have smaller size. So, due to smaller size and greater charge, they are extensively hydrated, and hydration energy in decrease down the group. Beryllium cation is maximum hydrated, then magnesium cation, then calcium cation, then strontium cation, then barium cation, and then radium cation. So, hydration energy decrease down the group, because down the group the atomic size is increased. If atomic size is increased, then the positive charge density will decrease. So, they will be less hydrated. So, beryllium atom due to very small size and greater charge are extensively hydrated. So, hydration for this reason alkali metal cannot form hydrated salts. So, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, they are anhydrous salt, but due to greater hydration energy, magnesium chloride forms 6 molecule water, hydrated salt, calcium chloride 6 molecule water. So, hydration enthalpy of alkaline earth metal is greater than alkali metal. So, these are some important characteristics of alkali metal. In terms of physical characteristics, you must remember the atomic size, IP value, electron gain enthalpy value, metallic character, flame test, reaction with ammonia, and the oxidation state, bivalent oxidation state and hydration enthalpy. In terms of chemical properties, you must remember the reaction with hydrogen, reaction with water, reaction with oxygen, reaction with nitrogen, and reaction with halogen, and also the reducing character. So, today student, this is the general introduction of the alkaline earth metal. In the next class, I will discuss about the some important compounds of alkali metal. Hydration enthalpy means when the cation is dissolved in water, the cation have positive charge. This is the positive charge cation. It is the positive charge cation. Water molecule with oxygen. What oxygen has negative charge, or hydrogen is positive charge. So, this water molecule with negative charge oxygen facing the cation, that is water molecule is surrounded the cation with oxygen atom facing towards the cation. So, there will be some ion dipole interaction. Due to ion dipole interaction, some amount of energy is released. This amount of energy released when a cation is dissolved in aqueous solution due to ion dipole interaction, that is known as hydration energy. Now, hydration energy depends upon charge of the cation and size of the cation. Smaller the size of the cation and greater the charge of the cation, greater will be hydration energy. All the alkaline earth metal charge is same +2, but size is minimum for beryllium and maximum for radium. So, hydration energy is beryllium is maximum and radium is minimum. Okay. Hello student. Hello. Okay. So, in the next class I will discuss about some important compounds of the alkaline earth metal like bleaching powder, cement, plaster of Paris, so on.